All set for last ride of Sapam Robin Hood at Awaching tomorrow. Educational institutions in Valley to reopen from Friday, September 4. Situation remains tense in Churchandpur. Protesters towards ZEO office. And Barak Bridge on Imphal-Jiribam Road will be reopened to vehicular traffic within a week. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandrawang Kemcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. The last rites of Sapam Robin Hood will be performed at Awaching tomorrow. All educational institutions will reopen from 4th of this month. Addressing media person at AMSU office, JCLPS student wing convener Oinam Nanda Babu said a large number of people will assemble at Modern College and take out a rally till Jenims. After taking the mortal remains of Sapam Robin Hood, the rally will march towards Awaching, where the last rites will be performed. JCLPS student wing convener Oinam Nandababu appealed to all citizens to attend the funeral of Sapam Robin Hood.
Nursing Institute amadi medical college yauna Manipur leba mahiro sing aduga government ki aduga private institution lebi oja sing mayam punamna Manipur lebi ba maina pai maibel club ona sing changsam punamna Manipur da akoi albisan halu amadi yellow mi kangana mi have ehu sida labjing mana oikraba maki aroibat mathong bangthokpa thorom asida mayam punna sarok yaminaduna aso pum phaba mai papa thoromo ohim binung dongta jesi alps sinisima makai dagi mayam da apel dawjeri hariba Robin Hood ki mathong mangam ki thoromasi pangthokro matungda akhoi mathangi thanaba numit September ki 4 dagi hoduna Manipur da akhoi thani ahum maya phana mai masing tamna laglibasi
All Manipur recognized Private School Welfare Association Secretary L. Joy Kuman said educational institutions were closed for 2 months due to ILPS stir. Joy Kuman said a meeting was held between transporters and school authorities regarding the school van fees. He said it was decided that parents need to pay only 50% of the school van fee for the month of July and August. Parents will pay 30% of the school fee and school authorities will pay 50% of the teacher's salary. He appealed to Catholic schools and CBSE affiliated schools to charge the same. Meanwhile, locals have cleaned the approach road to Awaching, where the last rites of late Sapam Robin Hood will be held tomorrow. Public Works Department, Imphal East, also repaired the road leading to Awaching using excavator. The body of Sapam Robin Hood will be first taken to his home at Laidik Yembam Lekai, then to Ananda Singh Higher Secondary Academy, Chekwan Bazaar, where people will offer their tributes to him. Later, the body will be carried to Awaching, where the last rite will be held. Imphal East Deputy Commissioner M. Joy, along with top police officers, also inspected the funeral site. M. Joy said the state government has met all necessary security arrangements for the state-level funeral.
Security point of view, the using Paliski, like Piriva, Edison SP, and the Porom Party OC, Moine and a Kangan Yadubo, Nasi, Nungdang, the Gidum Ax, and another Legado Malay. Children Siemna, Culture Gizu, Tourism Gizu Mana, the Department of Sigi, Minister in charge of Benina, Animoxi Subsalaga, Yamno Pazava, Tourist Center Moina, Sangalakani, I will Tazabulay, Luna, Mayam Lakada, Lambini, Lambizu, Adugi, Tourist Center, Sematamda, Masama Tanda, Lambizi, Pandavia, Semakani, Apava, Aikoi, Anova, Manipur, Semakpada, Asoba, Ahanba, Lambi Yatpama, Wayne, Tamsak.
The last ritual site of late Sapam Robin Hood at Awaching Nomizing Range is all set for tomorrow's last ritual. Thousands of people from different sections of society is likely to participate in tomorrow's last ritual. The decision of the state government to pass 3 bills to protect the indigenous people of the state and to make Awaching a memorial site for late Sapam Robin Hood is likely to be appreciated by the coming generation. With camera person Bishoji Namarapam, this is Bhakta Tarambam reporting for Impact News, Awaching.
Protesters who were kept in observation home and jail in connection with the fast unto death protest demanding implementation of ILP in the state have been released. 5 girl students protesters who were warmly received by women folks of Chimairong, while about 20 students who protested in front of Desam at Kaisampad were also released. The students protesters who were released today said they will continue their fast unto that until a last rite of Sapam Robin Hood are performed tomorrow. They said they will also attend the funeral of Robin Hood tomorrow. Now, situation is grim in violence at Churchandpur. Unidentified miscreants today torched the zonal education office at Churchandpur town, located near Deputy Commissioner's residence at around 3:30 p.m. People have formed a joint action committee in the wake of violence in Churchandpur. The family and the JC have decided not to claim bodies unless and until the state government grants ex gratia to them. Today, also protesters tried to storm the Churchandpur police station. However, police controlled the situation. State government has blocked internet service to avoid untoward incidents. Only emergency service is allowed in the district. Violence erupted in Churchandpur after 3 bills were passed by the State Assembly. The protesters are objecting to the amendment in the act related to land revenue and reform, saying the amendment will make tribal areas, which are currently off limits to non-tribals, accessible to all and lead to tribal losing their lands. Sources from Churchandpur said that 3 mobile towers were set on fire by protesters. Meanwhile, Ban ended peacefully in the border town of More at 3 in the afternoon. Shops and other commercial establishments remained opened in the border town. ADC Churchandpur held a special meeting to discuss the situation in Churchandpur and took several resolutions. Sources told Impact News that the meeting resolved to oppose the bills passed by the State Assembly and to demand judicial inquiry into the death of 7 persons. The meeting also resolved that ADC will provide all possible help to the bereaved families and the injured persons and support the JAC. A memorial of 7 deaths will be built at Bungmong village. The Meitei Society of Churchandpur has expressed grave concern at the prevailing situation in Churchandpur. In a press release, the society condoled the deaths. It also urged the government to provide security to Meitei community living in the district and appealed to all not to spread rumors. Northeast Forum for International Solidarity, NEFIS, has condemned the killing of 8 people and injuring many in the Churchandpur district by the state forces. In a press release, NEFIS said 3 bills passed by the Assembly should be withheld. Manipur government has banned the mobile internet service since last night as part of the security measures due to the prevailing situation in the state. The move comes after Digital India was launched in July month. Service providers Vodafone, Aircel, Airtel, Idea and Reliance have blocked the services like internet along with SMSs, although calls were allowed. The State Home Department, in order to curb the spreading of rumors on cell phones, ordered the blocking on online social networking site, Facebook and online mobile messaging application WhatsApp to avoid rumors. There is no blocking of internet services for landline-based internet services and BSNL service provider. Many internet users in the state are facing problems as they cannot book online tickets, net banking, e-commerce service, among others. No official statements have been issued by the government regarding blocking of mobile internet services. Now, more than 5 lakh workers of Manipur have joined the day-long nationwide strike called by the trade union today. 84 coordinating body of trade unions have joined the protest, which ended at 6 in the evening. The strike has been called to protest against changes in labor laws and privatization of PSUs affecting lives in many cities. The 84 coordinating body of trade unions in the state are demanding 15-point charter demand, including minimum wages of Rs 15,000 per month, regularization of muster roll contract and casual worker pension scheme, among others. The strike has been staged at various locations in the valley. Anganwadi Workers and Helpers Union Manipur staged a sit-in front of Social Welfare Department at North AOC, while All Manipur Electricity Employees Association demonstrated at Kaisampat.
Labor law the single iba kya singa sinang asidi maru oina karmachari bacha punamase sarkar ki karmachari oining bagi wakal power roy permanent adumba post the thabak tawning ba karmachari sing mahaki adumba permanent oibagi khudongsa phangaroi bharot ta leriba manipur ta leriba sinmi karmachari punamana yamning thina bhap tana founder padagi sarkar sigi mayok ta akanba pressure kaya ama piboy na sangjeli khongjang ase masida ekhogi manipur da leriba sinmi karmachari lakh kayana mapung phan bagidamakta hanhana thagat pa phongjai.
A 4-year-old boy was killed in a road accident this afternoon. The accident occurred at Lilong, Tairen, Makong on National Highway around 2:30 p.m. The deceased is identified as Mohammed Ismat, son of Mohammed Abdul Barik from Yairipok, Taupopi. The boy was walking when a Gates car with registration number MN06L3496 hit him. The Barakville Bridge on National Highway 37 Imphal-Jiribam Road will be repaired and opened to vehicular traffic within a week. A team led by Works Minister Dr. Kumujam Ratan Kumar today visited the bridge and saw its condition. It may be mentioned that the bridge snapped on 25th of last month and many trucks and buses were stranded on the road. Additional Chief Secretary, PWD Chief Engineer and representatives of Transporters and Drivers Council accompanied the minister in his visit. A team of both the road organization is engaged in the repair of the bridge. BRO told the minister Ratan Kumar that it might take 1 week to restore the bridge and allow vehicular to pass. Minister told them to complete the repair work as soon as possible in view of the problems facing the people.
BRO की मैं authorities सिंग से मैं वारी छाना बता मैं है जी हुजिक मैं की इसी की decking की कहनो से stringent पंचल लेबा दे decking हापी से if everything goes well गाइडलाइन में आने 3-4 days में तो BRO साइट की है इसी मैं जी मैं तो चालान खरा कोई तो ले बको आदुना मसी की overload की issue जो मैं ना थांगत पाए तारे आदो transporter कांगबू का जो कोई वारी छारे Transporter Kambu the Gidi Madu to the Polity have a potuni. Adu Madu quick sort out tone of Amabuero, a quick tang marida, both sides a quick Koraga, Madugi Karito Wea by this. Suppose anybody transporter sites who Karigumba, Luin check to Bungam Manete Natra, Puna Pamina Ganda, a quay Masigi Karito Wea by Madu problem the 200,000 at mine Kanavani.
Transporters and Drivers Council President Hijam Ranjit said the bridge over the Barak River is not built to support 24-ton transport vehicle. He said the drivers will not ply on the bridge even if it is repaired, if it is not fit for crossing. He also said BRO should release the 2 trucks which were seized for overloading and also asked the drivers not to overload.
하이버 통이 로이레나 아그 라라로 그 시작로이 마람디 통식이 그노세 쇼이레 로이나 보라 쇼이버 마기 마시 모디피케이션 or नत्रगा मागी हाइबा सिंगे तौदिंगे दिसी बराबर अदुम तौने कोई लालो मोइ बियारोन एपोलॉजी तौदिबा बियारोन लाले अकोइना सारिबसे अकोइ ट्रांसपोर्टर सिंगे लाले हाइदि बबा अकोइ थोंनि सुला लालो सामान साबनि मकु थोंग एन बराक थोंनेबा मकु थोंग लालगा लागा बराक थोंनेबा हे बेरा थोंगे ओवरलोडिंग पूरगा लाए लोड तौरगा हेन पूरगा लाए हाइबसि अथुबदा गाड़ी अनि सि थादोगदबनि बियारोन फाबगी मथौ लेते बिहारोना पुलिस केस तौगे तौ एमबी एक्ट रूल दा मोटर वेहिकल सिनगे सिनो गाड़ीगा मालगा फाबगी बियाटेक की शक्ति लेते.
Senior advocate and member of Senior Citizens for Society, Khaidem Mani has reiterated that the Protection of Manipur People's Bill 2015 and the Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reforms 7th Amendment Bill passed in the Manipur State Assembly on August 31 will not affect hill areas of the state in any manner. Speaking to media at his chamber at Uripok Chairap Court, Khaidem Mani said tribal students' unions and other organizations started protesting against the bills, claiming that the bills affect the interests of the tribals and subsequently asking the governor to hold the bill. Khaidem Mani also termed the effort by some vested interests to disintegrate Manipur taking advantage of the issue as unfortunate.
Chingi di hai na koi ki chingmi paja koi ki chilino singi di safeguard ma leigare MLR ni LR state na semja bani adusu 1975 ta section cham yang kai nipan aidana ma hapchilaga chingi lamma se non tribal na leigare even maitei na babu leiba yate ching da piri ba safeguard adu maina chingi chilino sing na phangi ba du maina tampak ta su phangan si tamaki lamdi ching na leiba ya ba magi lamdo atopa mayang na leiba ya handana na bana ba Bill Singida Piriba interpretation Tobada Singi Mayokta Akaiba Atoiba minority interest ki Wangmada Changchimba Late Aduna Akoi Loina Magna Bill Sisembada open Oihibiduni.
And now here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. All set for last ride of Sapam Robin Hood at Awaching tomorrow. Educational institutions in the valley to reopen from Friday, September 5. Situations remain tense in Churchandpur. Protesters storms JEO office. And Barak Bridge on Imphal Jiribam Road will be open to vehicular traffic within a week.